Look at this bird.
Look at this bird.
He wants to come in our house.
Hello.
I'm not sure.
Stay away. I'm
trying to figure out what to do.
He wants to come inside.
He's very friendly.
Look at him.
I don't know what he wants in our house,
You want
though.
to come? Welcome to our house. This is
He seems
our
to have been
house.
here before.
What do you
Seems to want something. I think maybe he wants us to feed him.
You look like
I'm
you
not
want
sure.
something. You kinda-
Well, there's some videos coming up that shows what happened before
What's going on?
I saw him
Is
at
something
this
wrong?
position. Because he was at our front door
No.
porch. So just
I
watch.
don't know. What he,
It's coming up right now. Okay, here's the next previous video I shot. See, he's right. This is our front porch. He's right against the wall.
I don't know
Okay.
what happened.
He doesn't even do anything as I approach him. He just sits
okay?
there. He's just looking at the wall. Okay, so it's just watching the wall. Not even when I go really close to him, he doesn't even move an inch. So watch the next video now. He goes right there. He is outside of our front door. I think he wants someone to open the door. So now he's running away.
Where's it going?
So there he goes.
Ah,
Okay, that's it.